नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचे स्वागत आहे। जसे की आपण क्लास 10th यामधील क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा चॅप्टर चालू केलेला आहे। त्यामध्ये आपण फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथड, कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड हा पूर्ण पोर्शन कंप्लीट केलेला आहे आणि आज आपण टू सॉल्विंग द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन बाय फॉर्म्युला मेथड हा पार्ट पाहणार आहोत। तर चला मग आपण फार्मूला मेथड शिकवायला स्टार्ट करूया। चला, फार्मूला फॉर सॉल्विंग अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन। नाउ लेट द गिवन इक्वेशन इज ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. Then the formula for quadratic equation is now x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then the delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Now this is known as discriminant of quadratic equation and this symbol is known as delta. This is the formula for to solving the quadratic equation. Then we can start the some example to solving the formula method of quadratic equation. Now then the first example is, now we can see the first example, m square minus 14m plus 13 equal to 0. Now first we can write as it is m square minus 14m plus 13 equal to 0. Now therefore we can compare am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 14 and c equal to 13. Then we can find the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to, now b square means minus 14 square minus 4ac, a यानी 1 and c यानी 13. Now 14 square, that is 196, that is multiplication of 13 ones are 13 and 13 fours are 52. Now we can subtract 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2 यानी 4, 9 minus 5 यानी 4 and 1. Now the value of b square minus 4ac is 144. Now we can solve this equation by formula method. Therefore the formula m is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we can substitute the value. Now m equal to minus, as it is the value of b minus 14, that is minus 14 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac, that is 144 divided by 2 into a यानी 1. Now m equal to minus minus plus 14, therefore plus minus square root of 144, that is 12 and 2 into 1 2. Therefore m equal to 14 plus 12 divided by 2, 14 minus 12 divided by 2. Therefore m equal to, we can add this 2 plus 4 6 and 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2, that's m equal to 2 divided by 2. Now answer will be m equal to 13 and m equal to 1. Now this is the first example to solving the formula method by quadratic equation. Now we can see. Now then another example we can solve. The practice set 2.4. Now the practice set 2.4 is, that is practice set in PS 2.4. Practice set 2.4. The all first we can write the question number first. The question number first is, compare the given equation. Compare the given equation. Compare the given equation, given quadratic equation, to the general form. To the general form, and find value of a comma b comma c. Now the first example. The example first is x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. That is x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we can write as it is, x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now the value of a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 5. Then another next example, the example number 2. That's example number 2 is 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. That is 5m minus 5. This is example number 2. Now first we can write as it is 2m square 5m minus 5. Now therefore 2m square plus minus 5m minus plus 5 equal to 0. Compare, that is am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to plus 5. Then the another example, the example number 3. The example number 3 is y square equal to 7y. Now y square equal to 7y. This example written as it is, y square equal to 7y. Now plus y square minus 7y equal to 0. Now we can compare ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 0. Now this is very simple question. The question number first is, find the value of a comma b comma c. Then the example number 2 and question number 2. Then question number 2 has, solve the following. Solve using formula. Solve using formula. Then first equation is, the equation first is x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. That is x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we can write as it is, x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we can compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is general form of quadratic equation. Then the value a equal to 1, b equal to 6 and c equal to 5. The first we can calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore b square यानी 6 square minus 4ac. a यानी 1, c यानी 5. 6 square 36 minus 5 1 5, 5 4 20. Now we can subtract 16. Now the formula for quadratic equation. Now the x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now therefore x equal to minus, as it is the value of b is 6, therefore plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac यानी 16, that is 2 into h value 1. Now x equal to minus 6, that is plus minus 16 and 2 ones are 2, that is x equal to minus 6 plus minus 16 चा square root 4 divided by 2. Now x equal to minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2 and x equal to minus 6 minus 4 divided by 2. Now answer will be x equal to minus 2 divided by 2 and x equal to minus 10 divided by 2. Therefore x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 5. This is a required answer. This is the example number first. We can see. आणि तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ स्टॉप करून क्वेश्चन पुन्हा रिपीट पाहू शकता किंवा याची स्क्रीनशॉट पण काढू शकता. मी थोडं बाजूला सरकतोय. Then another example. Then another example number 2. That is example number 2 has x square minus 3x minus 2. That is x square minus 3x minus 2. Therefore we can write as it is x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we can compare this equation, the general form of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to minus 2. Therefore we can find the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to b square यानी minus 3 square minus 4ac, a यानी 1, c यानी minus 2. minus 3 square 9, minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. That is 8 plus 9, 17. Now we can use the formula. The formula for quadratic equation is, now x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now therefore x equal to minus, as it is the value of b minus 3, therefore plus minus b square minus 4ac, that is b square minus 4ac 17, 2 into a, h value 1. Now x equal to minus minus plus 3 plus minus root of 17 divided by 2. Therefore answer will be 3 plus root 17 divided by 2, x equal to 3 minus root 17 divided by 2. Now this is question number 2. Now the another example, the example number 3. The example number 3 has 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. Now first we can write as it is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. Now compare this equation, am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Now the value of a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 7. Now we can find the value of b square minus 4ac. The value of b square is 2 square minus 4ac. a यानी 3, c यानी minus 7. 2 square 4 minus minus plus 7 3 चा 21 and 21 4 चा 84. 4 3 चा 12, 12 7 चा 84. 84 plus 4 88. Now we can use the formula. Now the formula for quadratic equation. Now m equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now therefore m equal to minus value of b 2, therefore plus minus b square minus 4ac is 88 divided by 2 into h value 3. Now m equal to minus 2 plus minus the factor of 88 has 4 into 22, that is 22 चा 22 4 चा 88. Now 3 2 चा 6. Now m equal to minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 2, that is square root of 22 divided by 6. Now m equal to, that is minus 2 by 6 plus minus 2 square root of 22 divided by 6. Therefore m equal to 2 1 चा 1, 2 3 चा 6, that is minus 1 by 3 plus minus 2 1 चा 1, 2 3 चा 6, that is 22 divided by 3. Now m equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 22 divided by 3. Now m equal to minus 1 plus 22 divided by 3 comma m equal to minus 1 minus 22 divided by 3. Now this is required answer, the question number 3. We can see. Now the another examples. The example number 4. The example number 4 is the example number 4. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore 5m square minus 4m, that is minus 2, is equal to 0. Now we can write first upon as it is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. Now we can compare this equation, the general form of quadratic equation, that is am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to 5, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 2. Then first we can find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is b square minus 4ac. b square यानी minus 4 square minus 4 ac. a यानी 5, c यानी minus 2. minus 4 square यानी 16 minus minus plus 2 5 चा 10, 10 4 चा 40. Now we can add this 56. Therefore, the formula for quadratic equation, that is m equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore, m equal to minus, the value of b is minus 4 plus minus, now 56 divided by 2 into h value 5. Now, therefore, m equal to minus minus plus 4 plus minus. Now, we can find the factor of 56. We can find the factor of 56. Then, we get the one number as square root. Now, we can see the 56 as factors. 8, 7, 56, or 14, 4, 56. Therefore, 4 into 14 divided by 2, 5, 10. Therefore, now m equal to, that is 4, is plus minus square root of 4, yani 2 square root of 14 divided by 10. Now, m equal to, now we can common here 2 or separate the denominator, that is 4 by 10 plus minus 2 square root of 14 divided by 10. We can separate the denominator. This is the simple way. Now m equal to, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, plus minus 2 1s are 1, 2 5s are 10, and square root of 14 divided by 5. Therefore, m equal to 2 plus minus square root of 14 divided by 5. The denominator is same, we can collect the 1. Now, m equal to 2 plus square root of 14 divided by 5, and m equal to 2 minus square root of 14 divided by 5. Now, this is the example number 4. Then, the another example is तुम्ही हे इक्वेशन पाहण्यासाठी व्हिडिओला स्टॉप करून पाहू शकता किंवा याची मी बाजूला झाल्याच्यानंतर स्क्रीनशॉट काढून लिहू शकता. पुन्हा तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज y square plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Now y square plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Now first we can write this equation as the general form of quadratic equation. Now the y square plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Now first we can multiply 3 on both sides. तुम्ही सर्वप्रथम ह्या तीननी समीकरणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूला मल्टिप्लिकेशन करू शकताय. जसे की 3y square plus 3 into 1 by 3y and 2 into 3. We can multiply 3 on both sides. Now therefore 3y square, now 3 cancel, only 1y, 3 2s are 6. Now 3y square plus 1y, ही प्लस क्वांटिटी बरोबर चेकडून मायनस होणार, तर -6 इक्वल टू 0. Therefore we can compare ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 3, now b equal to 1 and c equal to -6. Now we can find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is the b square यानी 1 square minus 4ac, a यानी 3 and c यानी -6. 1 चा square 1 minus minus plus, that is 6 3 चा 18 and 18 4 चा 72. Answer will be 73. Now we can use the formula for quadratic equation. The formula for quadratic equation, y is equal to minus b, that is plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore y equal to, that is minus the value of b is 1. Now plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac and 73 divided by 2 into value of a. The value of a is 3. Now we can see. Now answer will be y equal to minus 1 plus minus 73 divided by 6. Now we can write y equal to minus 1 plus square root of 73 divided by 6 and y equal to minus 1 square root of 73 divided by 6. Now this is the example number 5. Now we can see. Now the another example is, the example number is 6. The example number 6 is 5x square plus 13x plus 8. Now the 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. Now we can write as it is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore first compare the ax square, bx plus c equal to 0. Now the value of a equal to 5, b equal to 13 and c equal to 8. The first we can find the b square minus 4ac is equal to b square and 13 square minus 4ac. A and 5, c and 8, that is 13 square 169 minus, we can see 4 5s are 20 and 8. Therefore 169 minus 8 2s are 16 and 160. Answer will be 9. Now using the formula for quadratic equation, now x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now therefore x equal to minus the value of b is 13, that is plus minus b square minus 4ac value 9 divided by 2 into a, value of a is 5. Now therefore the x equal to minus 13 plus minus the square root of 9 is 3 and 2 5s are 10. Therefore x equal to minus 13 plus 3 divided by 10 and x equal to minus 13 minus 3 divided by 10. Now x equal to minus 13 plus 3 minus 10 divided by 10. Now x equal to minus 13 minus 3 minus 16 divided by 10. The answer will be x equal to 10 ones are 10 minus 1 and x equal to, we can divide 2, that is 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10. This is a required answer, minus 1 and x equal to minus 8 by 5. The another example is example number 3. The full activity question as example number 3. Question 3. Now we can see the example number 6. Now the last question. The question has 3. Now question 3, with the help of flow chart with the help of flow chart. Now, with the help of flow chart given below, and solve the equation. Solve the equation. The equation is x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, this equation is solved as another methods. The formula method, using the formula method we can solve this equation, but we can take the sum tables. The first table is compare the equation. First tables. Now compare the equation. Compare the equation x square plus 2 root 3, that is 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0, and ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and find value of a, b, c. Find value of a comma b comma c. The first, second, find value of, now this is first chart. This is the first chart. Then another, find value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, b square minus 4ac, value of b square minus 4ac. Then the second has another one tables. Write the formula to solve the quadratic equation. Write the formula and to solve the quadratic equation, that is QENA quadratic equation. And last is substitute the value of a, b, c. We'll put the value of a, b, c. Put value of a, b, c and find root. And find root of equation. Now this is the question number 3. The first, we can compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The value of a equal to 1, b equal to 2 root 3 and c equal to 3. Then this value put b square minus 4ac, and we can solve the another equation. Then the first, we can solve the equation. Therefore, we can see the full solution. Therefore, now the equation has x square plus 2 root 3x, x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, first we can compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The value of a equal to 1, b equal to 2 root 3 and c equal to 3. Now, this is answer will be first flow chart. The second flow chart, now this answer will be first flow chart, and this is second flow chart. We can find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is b square 2 root 3 its square minus 4, h value 1 and c 3. Therefore, 2 square 3, square root of 3 only 3 minus 4 1 1, 4 3 12, that is 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, the third parts, we can use the formula. The formula for quadratic equation, x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore x equal to minus the value of b 2 root 3 plus minus, that is b square minus 4ac, answer will be 0, divided by 2 into h value 1. Therefore x equal to minus 2 root 3 square root of 0 सोडून दिल्याने चालते, परंतु आपण लिहिणार 0 डिवाइड बाय 2. Therefore the x equal to answer minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, minus 2 cancel, answer will be minus root 3. Then the b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then roots having only unique roots and only one roots, that is x equal to minus 3 has only one roots. Then we can solve the full extra practice set, the 2.4. आपण या ठिकाणी 2.4 ही पूर्ण प्रॅक्टिस सेट पूर्ण केलेली आहे आणि यानंतरचे आपण पुढचे प्रॅक्टिस सेट कंटिन्यू करणार आहोत. जर तुम्हाला हे व्हिडिओ आवडत असेल तर या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट्स करा आणि लाईक पण करा. धन्यवाद.